everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a new sticker book from Amber Plans Her Day. This one is called Explore More, and it is currently available right now to purchase. So definitely check out that link down in the description. I have my affiliate link and a discount code if you're interested in purchasing this book. I'm going to do a quick flip through just so we can see what's in this book, and then I'm going to do a plan with me. But this is looks like a 30-page sticker book. And this is perfect because I'm going to be traveling later this year, so I'll be able to use some of these stickers to make some fun spreads. All right, so here's the first one. Really pretty grease stickers, and then you have coordinating boxes. All right, looks like Italy on this one. Really pretty watercolor pictures. And then here are the boxes. And then next we have France. Cute. All the lovely food I'm hoping to eat when I'm there. Can't wait for that. All right, next we have, I'm not sure specifically what country this is, but it looks very tropical-y. The elephants were cute. All right, this looks like Mexico. Cute. And then the boxes. Okay, next place, this looks like, oh, Canada. Yes, Canada. We got the cute little animals. Oh, I feel like I'm missing a page here. There we go. All right, so there's the boxes. Ooh, we got the tropical vibes here. This looks like Hawaii. So pretty. Very, very pretty. Ooh, I love the boxes on this one. Okay. Ooh, we got where I'm from, California. At least like LA. Oh, US. I guess it's more than just California. I'm just looking at this. But yeah, the US. Okay. More boxes. And then this is more just like travel generic kind of pages here with the plane and the all the countries and luggage, all the things. Love these. And then the boxes. And then we have some quotes. So, investment in travel is an investment in yourself. Never stop traveling. The world is yours to explore. And then we have wander more, worry less. Not all those who wander are lost. Adventure. Cute. All right, so that is the sticker book. Again, this is currently available right now to purchase. If you're interested, I have my affiliate link and discount code down in the description. I'm going to now do a plan with me. I have some sheets here. I just grabbed some horizontal sheets so I can decorate with these stickers. And then I'm just going to pick one section because the great thing about this book is they're all sectioned off into 3 sticker sheets and have really basically mostly everything that you need. There's the boxes, the functional stickers, and then we have quotes, and then of course the decorative stickers. So I think I want to do the Mexico one. Okay, it's this one right here. I'm just gonna pull the pages out if I can. They're perforated. There it goes. Okay. All right. Mexico it is. All right, I'm just gonna pull them out just to make it easier for myself when I'm decorating these pages. All right, I always like to put like a long sticker on the side. I don't want to cover up the checklist because I like the checklist, but I feel like this is a good spot for like a weekend sticker. And then I'll do a little box. Oop. I'm trying to get it straight. Okay. Alrighty. And then we can stick these really cool stickers down. Okay, maybe I'll put this one over here. I really like this one. The desert scene. Ah. put it over here. So yeah, if you're traveling, this might be a really cute book to pull or to pick up, because maybe you're going to like one of these places and you can, you know, incorporate this into a spread. I always love doing themed spreads, especially for events that I'm doing or places I'm going or things that I'm going to be celebrating. So that's always fun. I want to put, I feel like I should put the guy on the horse over here in this little scene, because I'm all about scenes. This is a good scene. He fits. So we're gonna make him there, put him there. I'm gonna put some more little cactus over here. And maybe another one. Oh, it's too in the horse's face. Too close to the horse's face. No. Let me fix this really quick without ripping it. Okay. Maybe I'll just do a little bit. Just a touch of it here. Okay. That works. I just wanted more of a scene here. I think that works there. I might pull the box up a little bit just to give the guy's head a little space. So now I'll put it up this line instead. Okay, that feels better. It's not as like congested here. That's good. Let's put the flag. I want to put the flag. But I don't like that it's going into the yellow. Okay, I'll have to find a better place for this. Okay. I actually haven't been to Mexico since I was, gosh, maybe like 10, 11, somewhere around there. I don't know. It's been a while. It's been a very long one. I actually live right near the border though. Well, I live in San Diego, so we're kind of close. Maybe a hat. But some of my coworkers live there. They just cross the border, come to work. But yeah, I haven't been there in a bit. My mom's actually from Mexico, so most of my family's from Mexico. But they like coming here, my family. They like coming here to visit. So I see my family from Mexico and they come here because they like coming out here to shop and, you know, visit our theme parks and stuff. So, but I haven't been there in a long time. Okay, I want to put a checklist here. I don't know, just to be different on this side, to add some color too. Okay, that side looks pretty cute. I think that side looks good actually. I might do, maybe actually no, I'll do bullet points. Okay. And then we'll do, I do one here. Okay, that's pretty. Okay. I want to put one of these girls over here, but like more in the city scene. So let me put this down first because this thing is huge. So I have to like strategically place this if I want to get it on the page. I'm just going to put it here, I guess. If I was at, like, I'm just making a spread just to make a spread. But if I actually knew my plans, then I would know like what day would be a day I really don't have a lot of plans. So I could, you know, cover that day up a little bit more. That's usually how I figure that out. Oop. I'm gonna put this girl. Okay. So I want to be able to use this. Well, I'm not planning on using these, sorry. But a patron will be using these because I will give it to a patron. But yeah, I think that works. That's pretty. Okay, we'll put a box here. Just because I like some layered boxes around. Okay, and maybe I could put the flag on this side. Okay, we're gonna go with that because I don't know what else to do. Did I do another little scene? Maybe the house scene? Just in the corner. I'll do a potted one just so it kind of ties into what's going on. Okay, cut all this off. Okay, I think that works. Ooh, I'm looking at the food. Tacos. Yum. My coworker, he will sometimes come bring us, make us fish tacos at work. And they're the best fish tacos I've ever had. He gets the batter from Mexico. And I think he gets whatever fish, or one time he did shark. Whatever it is, he gets it all from over there. And it's amazing. Delicious. I always tell him, you ruined tacos for me because I can't have tacos now. Like, well, at least fish tacos at just any random shop here. It's not the same. It's not as good. So yeah, it's funny. Up there, just so I can get a checklist on this side too. Put some bullet points. Oh, and then I'll put some quotes. Some quotes on the page. Cute. Fun, fun, fun. All right, let me look at the quotes, which I didn't take out of the book. So, ooh, I love these. All these like simple ones that aren't super bold. These are my favorite kind. So this one says, wherever you go, go with all of your heart. That's so pretty. Where do we put this? Oh, no, it doesn't fit there. We could put it here. We could put it in the picture. Don't know where I want it. Okay, that works. And then put adventure. Let's see, adventure. Get it off. Come on. Okay. Let's see, adventure. I kind of like it going over the sticker. So we'll do the same over here, same effect over here. Okay, that works right there. Looks pretty good. I might do another box over here, maybe a green one. Just get color over here. I like how she used like every space in here to fit as much as she could, and that there's no like pieces left. Good job, Amber. Maximizing that space. Okay, let's see what else I got. Should I put food on here? I just feel like the food, if I was doing like a food list, I would use the food. But I think this is more a scene situation. Should I put another girl? I do like the girls. I could put her here. Kind of just, yeah. Okay, let me move this up a little bit now, since it's too in her face. Okay, they're kind of dancing over there. And then maybe I'll add some more, just one more cactus over here with this guy. Maybe his little like hat and guitar situation over here. Okay, I think that works. Cute, really pretty. I love the artwork. The artwork's really pretty. The watercolor just scenes are very nice. Made for a really pretty spread. I feel like I just need one more quote though, just to balance it out a little bit. So, let's see. Oh, let's do this just go, because I feel like this fits with the theme of the quotes that I picked. Although I wish I had more of that kind of font, unless I put it over here. Just go. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna call it done. It's pretty. All right, so that's gonna be my spread using the new Explore More sticker book from Amber Plans Her Day. Really pretty sticker book, as you can see. Gorgeous spread, and love that everything coordinates. You only have to worry about, you know, picking through 3 sheets of stickers if you're trying to have like a cohesive theme for whatever place you're going to. But that is going to be it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.